Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girls and welcome Laga, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is a vlog, and I don't know what happened to the footage of this video. Honestly, the sound of it I really don't know, but I just found out that it does not have sound, so that's why I'm doing a voiceover. So over here I was telling you that I am going to a wine farm, and it is in Durbanville. It's Durbanville Hills, and I was running a bit late because my car was at the car wash, so I quickly needed to rush and get it. But yeah, this is the vlog, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe.
Sheet in that order. If you are comfortable with the sheets, and that's also okay. Just one thing that I want you to keep in mind for your pairing, Merlot rosé. Okay. Right. So then I'll just get you. I'll order the plate of bread and then.
Stuff on the left. Take a bite. From the left side.
Yeah, take it to the left.
There we go.
Take it to the left. How you smell?
That's how you perceive your wine.
Yeah, so
You perceive your wine first before taking it.
Alright. Alright, so let me know. I just like Alright.
Infinite again. Just one time.
I'm done. But my contest now you did now.
so how does it taste?
It tastes like wine.
Okay, is it nice?
This is mango, right?
Yeah, that's
Like
mango.
the dry mango.
Yeah. Hey guys, today is actually day 2. Yeah, today is Tuesday. I started this vlog, I'm not quite sure. Okay, I don't know. Anyway, yeah, I'm at the Promenade and I'm about to take a walk because it is a mission going to the gym while having a baby in me, so I find walking much easier. And also, yeah, so I'm just here to take a walk. I'm hoping that I'll get in like 4 kilometers or something like 6 to 7, somewhere up there. I'm hoping we do this like every 2 to 3 days a week. I'm hoping we can do more. Can we do more, mister? Can we do more?
You know.
It depends on me. I have to beg you to come with me, so I'm not sure when you're saying that you have to beg me.
If you're ready for more, then we can do more every day.
Okay, so we're here and we're about to do the walk. I will see you guys. Yeah, I'll see you. kilometers done, and my exercise ring is closed. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Can you see it? Yeah. Okay, this thing is so quick to lock. But yeah, my exercise ring is closed, so I'm happy about that. Going home, I just need to close my movement ring and also my standing ring. So we are done. We're going home. But baby, how do you feel? Tired.
Yeah.
But at least we did this. I get so excited when like I finish my exercise for the day, because I'm used to that. It's just that now I'm not so active because, you know. So yeah, and I can't wait to come back on YouTube and do these fitness challenges. I cannot wait because I want to lose so much weight. I've gained, so definitely I'm coming back, and I am coming back strong because I want my body strong. Yes.
Chonga.
What is chonga?
What does that mean?
It means look.
Oh, look.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, guys.
Chonga.
Oh.
Chonga.
You want to see yourself? Chonga.
Yeah.
Oh. Hi.
Hello.
Are you good, sir? So over here I went to Chinatown in Sable Square, St. City, and I thought, let me just show you the shoes that they have. I was also looking for shoes, so yeah, I just thought, let me show you the shoes that they have, and this is it. I did not find anything that I wanted though, but yeah. Taking pictures, obviously. So yeah, I don't even know what to eat. Hope we both don't know what we're having, but we'll have something.
The place is amazing.